Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add IndiaMart leads and inquiries to Google Sheets for nutrition supplements. So let's suppose I am running nutrition supplements business and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMart. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead or the new inquiry, it should be automatically added to my Google Sheets. Now doing this process manually will be very time consuming. So I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMart and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new lead or the new inquiry in my IndiaMart, it will be automatically added to my Google Sheets. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add IndiaMart leads and inquiries to Google Sheets for nutrition supplements. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMart and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to add IndiaMart leads and inquiries to Google Sheets for nutrition supplements, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and here I am going to select this IndiaMart automations and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add my IndiaMart leads and inquiries to Google Sheets, which means whenever I will receive new lead or the new inquiry in my IndiaMart, it will be automatically added to my Google Sheets, which means whenever I will receive new lead or the new inquiry in IndiaMart, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive new lead or the new inquiry in my IndiaMart and then action says do this, then add that inquiry to Google Sheets. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take IndiaMart, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new leads. Now I have to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMart account. So this is my IndiaMart account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMart. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I am going to click on this lead manager. And then I have to click on this three dots, from where I have to click on this import export leads and then click on this push API. Now under this push API integration, I have to first select the source and then enter my CRM platform name. In this drop down, I can find all the sources. Here I am going to select this as other, and then I have to enter my CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect. And then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. And then I have to click on the save details. Now I need to select the reason that why I want to connect my IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. And in this drop down, I can find all the reasons. Here I am simply going to select this, as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. You can select this according to your choice and preference, and then we have to click on this click to generate OTP. Here I have successfully added my OTP, which I have received on my number, and the webhook URL which I have received in my Pabbly Connect workflow here in my India Mart. And if I go back to my India Mart, I can see this waiting for the webhook response. And under this, it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here in this workflow, I am going to do a test submission or generate a lead in my India Mart. For that, I have created a profile in India Mart and I am going to open that profile in incognito mode. From that profile, I am going to send query to my own business, and if Pabbly Connect captured that query with all the other details here in this workflow, this means this connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and India Mart, that is successful. So here I am going to open my profile. This is my profile, this is my name, this is my phone number. Email address is latest@pabblytudes.com. Address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India, and the company name is Latest Company. Now I am going to search for my business, which is this one. And after searching for my business, I simply have to click on this contact supplier. Now in this box, I need to add my query. So let's say my query is, hello, I'm interested in purchasing vitamins and mineral supplements. I need a 1-month supply for general health. Please share the available pricing and options. Waiting for your reply. Thanks. This is my query. And now I'm going to click on this next. And as this is not a required field, I'm going to click on this submit. Here I have successfully sent my query from my profile to my own business, and Pabbly Connect should capture this query with all the other details. So let's open my Pabbly Connect workflow. And here I can see that I have received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID, and this query ID will be unique for every query that will be received. I have received the response subject. Then the sender state, which was Madhya Pradesh. The name was this one. I have received the phone number, email address as latest@pabblytudes.com. Company name is Latest Company, city is Bhopal, address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And then I have received the product name, which was Pabbly Connect free demo available. And then I have received the query message as this. Hello, I'm interested in purchasing vitamins and mineral supplements. So this is the same exact query which I have just sent from my profile to my own business, and I have received that over here. Now this shows that the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and India Mart, that is successful. And now whenever there will be new lead or the new inquiry, I will start receiving that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive new lead or the new inquiry, I want to add that to my Google Sheets. So then in my action application, I'm going to take Google Sheets. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this add new row and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then you have to click on this sign in with Google, after which you have to grant away some permissions, and you can do that because your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Over here, as I have made this connection multiple times, I am going to select this as existing connection and then click on this save. So here Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to select the spreadsheet. So to get this, let me open my Google Sheets account. So this is my Google Sheet, and this is the particular spreadsheet by the name India Mart Inquiries. I want to add all my inquiries in this particular Google Sheet. So let's go back to my Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down, select my spreadsheet as India Mart Inquiries. After selecting the spreadsheet, it has automatically detected the sheet number, and then it has all these fields which I have in this particular spreadsheet: name, phone, email, product, and product query. Here I've got all that fields. Now I need to enter value to these fields. But I'm not going to enter these values manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. Now when I click on any of these fields, I can see this India Mart, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I've received from there. Here we need to enter the name, and the name was this one, so I've entered that. And then I need to enter the phone number. So the phone number was. Then I need to enter the email address, and the email address that I have received in the response is latest@pabblytudes.com. Then I have received the product name as Pabbly Connect free demo available. And then in my product query, I have received the query as, hello, I am interested in purchasing vitamins and mineral supplements. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request button. And here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I'm going to open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and check whether all these details have been added there or not. And here I can see that I have added all the details. The name was this. Email address was latest@pablitudes.com. Product name was Pably Connect, free demo available. And then the product query was, hello, I am interested in purchasing vitamins and minerals. Now, so as to check this automation workflow one last time, I'm again going to open my profile and send a query from that profile to my business. If the query is automatically added to my Google Sheets, this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I have opened my profile. I'm going to click on this contact supplier and then add my query as, hello, I need a supplement for muscle recovery after workouts, looking for protein powder or BCAA, around 3 kg to start with. Can you give me more info? Thanks. Now I'm going to click on this next and then click on this submit. As soon as I've submitted this query, this should be added automatically in my Google Sheets. So let's open my Google Sheets. And here we can see that we have received the response and this query has been added in my Google Sheets automatically and instantly. This was the same exact query. Hello, I need a supplement for muscle recovery after workouts. Here the rest of the details have not been changed, like name, phone, email and product name, because I was sending the query from that same profile. So rest of the details are same, but here the product query has changed. Now to summarize, we took IndiaMart as a trigger application where we made connection with Pably Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a query and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted to add all these queries or the details in my Google Sheets. So I took my action application as Google Sheets, made connection with Pably Connect, selected the spreadsheet in which I want to add all these details, entered all these details with the help of a method called mapping, clicked on the save and send test request button and received the response as these details been automatically and instantly added to my Google Sheets. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between IndiaMart and Google Sheets with the help of Pably Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pably Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pably.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pably.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.